back to my channel. Today we will learn about a chapter of science which is getting to know about plants. Now let's start. First I will tell you some important points to remember, which are what is flowering plants and what is herb shrubs and trees. First I'll tell you what are flowering plants. Plants which bear flowers are called flowering plants. Means the plants which have flower are called flowering plants. Now what are herb shrubs and trees? Plants are usually grouped into herb shrubs and trees on the basis of their height, stem and branches. Now what are herbs? Plants with tender or thin green stem are called herbs. They are usually shorter and sometimes do not have branch. Means the plant with a thin or tender green stem are called herbs, and they are usually short and sometimes do not have branches. Now what are shrubs? Shrubs. Some plants have branches arising from the base of the stem. The stem is not very thick, known as shrubs. Means some plants have branches arising from the base of the stem. The stem is hard but not very thick. Now what are trees? Some plants are very tall and have a very thick stem, known as trees. They have branches arising from the upper part of stem. Means some plants are very tall and have a very thick stem, known as trees. This is the figure of trees. Now what are climbers or creepers? Climbers and creepers. The stem of some plants are very thin and weak. They either lie on the ground or need support to stand properly. They are called climbers and creepers respectively. Means the stem of some plant very thin, very much thin and also very weak, and they need support to climb upright are known as climbers, and which lie on the ground are known as creepers. Example of climber is money plant, and an example of creeper is watermelon plant or a pumpkin plant. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.